Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher and the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a built-in model or a portable option, we've got you covered. The Honeywell dishwasher requires a built-in installation, making it a permanent fixture in your kitchen. This can be a great choice for those with dedicated space. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher is designed for convenience and portability, ideal for apartments or RVs, as it does not require any plumbing and can be easily moved around. When it comes to capacity, the Honeywell dishwasher can accommodate up to 8 place settings, making it suitable for larger families or gatherings. In contrast, the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher can handle more than 30 dishes, including 10.25 plates, making it perfect for smaller loads and everyday use, especially in tight spaces. The Honeywell dishwasher requires a direct water connection, which may limit its placement options. Conversely, the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher features a built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing it to operate without a permanent water hookup, providing flexibility in where you can use it. In conclusion, both the Honeywell and EUHOMY dishwashers have their unique advantages. The Honeywell is ideal for those seeking a built-in solution with a larger capacity, while the EUHOMY offers portability and convenience for smaller spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.